Hey everybody, welcome back to Shiny Shopping Saga. So we are now inside of Christmas tree shops. These are cute. These cute little bunny picks, $129. And then these. But this is what I'm dealing with because I just came out of the cold. Look at my face. I'm not even sure if you guys can see me, but because I don't have on my fog resistant mask. So this is what I have to deal with. Maybe I should just take them off for a minute. But anyway, right here they have these bunny eggs. These are $1.99. These are pretty. Yeah, I'm gonna take them off for a second because I can actually see close up. It's when I'm driving. Oh, and they light up. $3.99. They have them in the green, the blue, the white, and pink. And these look like chocolate bunnies. $7.99. The green and pink. And these up here are 10. They're really pretty. And then they have the bunny's head. Let's see if I can get her down without dropping her. 30. And right here, these are $7.99. So cute, $7.99. The cute little plates, $24.99. The little ducks, $5.99. Ducks, bunnies holding their little umbrellas. Okay, it's a lot of noisy baskets in here today. Oh, they're moving around the actual shelving, that's why. Oh, his head is behind it. But these are $4.99. Let's see if we can get his head to stand up. They kind of tucked it under because it's in the shelf. It says Happy Easter. And then right here, okay, they have these little eggs. These are $2.99. And then these guys, $2.99. Happy Easter. These fold. These are $6.99. And they have these, $3.99. Grace, $4.99. $4.99. And these light up. Is it just a single one? Yes. $4.99. Oh, they have a green one behind it. A green one, this one. I saw a blue one. Little bunny butt. And then these are $16.99. $12.99. $12.99. $4.99. These are pretty. $9.99. Cute little dress. And $12.99. $8.99. Little bee. The eggs on top. You have some cute signs over here. $5.99. Easter wishes. $2.99. $3.99. Looks like an old-fashioned stamp. This is pretty. $5.99. I think I see a blue one behind it. Yeah. $6.99. $5.99. Happy Easter. $5.99. Oh, they had them down here by itself. A better view. Oh, $5.99. $6.99. I'm sorry for all the noise. They're kind of moving the things around behind me. $5.99, and these are $3.99. They have the little chicks and the birds at the top of them. $12.99 for the wreaths. $20. Let's see. Right here. $15. $24 for these. I like this one, it's pretty. $13. $15. $15 for this one too. Oh, it's the same one. So just this one is the blues and this one has pinks in it. Cute little pillows. Happy Easter. Peanuts. $13. Paper Placemats. What's this one look like? They have some feet hanging out. Oh yeah, Easter wishes. And string lights, $6.99. And they have these little candle holders, $3.99. Have some with the trucks. And it says Happy Easter. And these, $1.99 for those. $3.99 for the bigger ones. Purple, pink, green, blue. And then these little guys are $3.99. $5.99. These light up. These are $5.99. $8.99. And then they have the yard flags, $4.99. Oh, this is cute. Oh, I thought it was a bag. It's a yard flag. It's pretty. $4.99. Look at all the pretty little yard signs. They have Minnie and Mickey. She's sitting on a fence. $15. Garden signs. Welcome to our garden. $13.99. Mom's garden. $15.99. Who you calling grumpy? Wet nose, warm heart. A lot of cute little garden. Tikis and stuff. Welcome. Beaver. $12.99. Crossing the bridge. Oh, this is cute. Little sunflower. $2.99. And they have these. $8.99. $8.99, yeah. $12.99 for the bigger ones. The little snow globe is pretty. Oh, it says Christmas tree shops. $14.99. Bad to the gnome. And they have some more little garden stuff over here. I like this one. $4.99. $3.99. Little flower pots. Bloom, grow, sprout, live. $5.99. You have some smaller ones over here. They're really pretty. $1.79. Oh, look at those. $2.99. I see pink, white, the teal, and blue. These are cute. They say grow, bloom, grow. $5.99. All kinds of pretty garden and stuff.
Is that a camera?
Yes. Yeah. So the lady was asking me if it was a camera, but I give out these cute little pins. I'm gonna start sending it to my subscribers too, but it just has my name and YouTube on it, because I find a lot when I'm in the stores, people ask what I'm doing. A lot of people think I'm scanning because it's a GoPro, but anyway, they have these little pots. I was just talking to her for a minute. These are pretty, $4.99. $4.99. And then let's see. Oh, those are really pretty. I kind of jumped over to the other side. $4.99. The little hanging monkey and sloth and panda. $4.99. Oh, the little hands. I set him on his rope. $5.99. And they're prettier in white. I don't know, which ones did you guys like, the white or the black? And these little guys. And the black hands. Oh, they have a little more Easter over here. $169. And these little jars are $3. They have a lot of the frosted bakery bags. 12-count drawstring treat bags. And then some window clings, straws, cute little giveaways for the parties. But I think that's going to be pretty much it for what we're going to look at today in here. I hope you guys enjoyed this shopping trip. Let's see, how much are these? $10. Let's see. But yeah, like I was saying, I hope you guys enjoyed this shopping trip, and thank you guys so much for shopping with me. $6.99 at the Christmas tree shops, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Every time I think we're leaving, we're not. These are pretty. And the plates. Kind, darling. $3.99. I'm kind of like the parent when your mom tells you let's go and then she's still there talking for like 10 or 15 minutes. That's how I am with these videos. $4.99. But okay, we're leaving. Oh, look at the cute placemats. Easter placemats, $3.99. $2.99. Easter blessings. Uh-oh. $2.99 carrot corn and farm fresh eggs. Oh, these go with the, look at these. Just disregard the fact that I said that we were done. $2.99. These go with the cups. Stir crazy, spoon me. Not spoon me. $3.99. Look at these. I couldn't walk out without showing you guys these. $2.99. Okay, we're leaving for real this time. Thank you guys for shopping with me, and I'll see you in the next one.